Lovely to have you back with us on Traders 20.
Well, marginally better off for the small cap index, you could say. So it's just about higher by 0.2%. And remember, what we're working on is that the breadth is still in favor of the gaining side. But let's pull up some of the gainers. You've got a Merck Electronics, 20% up move on that one, doing very well. Shrenujan Company also, India Glycols, that one's notched up close to 12%. Apart from that, Indoco Remedies and Vertex Spinning are doing fairly well for themselves, as is a Henkel India and Sajana Tars. But take a look at the losers list, and I'm not mistaken, you've got some of the same names which were reeling under pressure last week featuring on the list today. Piramal Life Sciences 5% off, Chemrock Industries, Glodine Technoserve, and now you've also got an Ashapura Mindchem as well as a Varun Industries down and out.
Well, time then to bring on board Rajat Bose and Deepak Mahoney with their top bets. Hi there, gentlemen. Welcome to Traders 20. Rajat, first come to you about your top ideas for today and why are you betting on those stocks?
See, you have already, Avan has already mentioned about India Glycol. India Glycol is posting 6-month, new 6-month high. Its earlier high was about 153. Already it is trading at 157. When I sent the call to your research desk, it was around 153.95. My feeling is that now that this has made a breakout after, say, about a couple of months of consolidation, say between 145 and about 135, this stock is likely to move up. I'm looking at a target of 168, which I believe, given the kind of a breakout, would be easily achieved. I'm suggesting it to be purchased for delivery, but if the targets are met, then definitely one can look or book profits even within the short term. Technically, from all parameters, either intraday or for that matter on the end of the chart, it is looking pretty bullish. Next stock is Apollo Tyres. Its short term trend is up. There was a bit of a flag formation and today it is breaking out of that flag formation, but my feeling is that 98.90 is a very strong resistance. I've kept that as a target, but I would advise traders, because this is a strategy disclosed to millions of viewers. So even if 98.90 is not reached, if it holds prior to that, even then book profits and keep a stop loss below 95.25. It's a short-term trade. And State Bank is the only sale recommendation I have. When I sent you the trade, to your research desk, it was around 1885. But now, as I see, it is already below 1880. Now, point is that State Bank is actually headed for 1850 kind of a lower target. So I would like to revise the target that I have sent you. Earlier it was 1868, but I would say that now you can safely keep a target of about 1861 and also bring the stop loss down from 1896 to about 1889.
Okay, so that's one sell and two buy calls from Rajat Bose. Let's take it straight to Deepak Mahoney. And Deepak, you're bullish with a vengeance.
On these three stocks, not necessarily the index itself, there are a lot of good individual movers in the market. There are a lot of laggards as well, so you don't get much out of the index now, at least last week or two. But the individual stocks doing well. One of them has been Hindustan Unilever, up to a new lifetime high again this morning. That's a buy recommendation with a stop loss of 515 and a target of 543. This has been in an uptrend for quite a while, but the uptrend has really gathered momentum since mid-July. So this is in a position you've not seen levers in for a long time, a momentum stock. And this is a good entry point for short-term traders too, because it's dipped a bit on Friday and it's resumed a move today. So that gives you a good stop loss for entry. DV's Labs, fairly similar situation, but it's not recent momentum. This has been going up since mid-March very steadily. If you see this on a log chart, you'll find a straight line really going up from the left to the right. So it's a very, very steady pace. DV's Labs is a buy with a stop loss of 1165 and a target of 1234. And this too has just resumed a climb after a bit of a dip on Friday. So like levers, a good entry point, and like levers, this too is at a lifetime high now. And finally, JK Tires. As you would have seen, tire stocks have got a bit of fire lately. And this stock shot up last week, dipped a little bit on Friday, starting a move. So this is a pure short-term momentum play. Stock is not at a new high or anything like that, but it's currently on a pretty fast wicket. So this is a buy with a stop loss of 117.5 and a target of 125.
All right, so all buy calls coming in from Deepak Mahoney. Thanks for that.